Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I arrived Sierra Leone yesterday, late, and we've been taken to an isolation center. Not really an isolation center, but like a government um, certified guest house because I've not been vaccinated. So they said would be here for 48 hours when the PCR test will be out. So we're still waiting. So this is day one um, of the 2 hours, and I've been sleeping all day. This is past 4 Sierra Leone time. I've been sleeping all day. I'm very restless because I'm not used to staying in one place. So they said they're going to bring the result today. They said tomorrow. So I'm not sure when they're going to bring the results. But once the result is out, we'll just move the to Bo, where would start the project. So it's crazy because the guest house where we have been taken to has it's just been there. So many mosquitoes. It's just like it's really an isolated scene. But we paid for it ourselves. 200,000 leon. That's like $20 or so, or close to $20. So yeah, I just want to get out of here and get to work. So once the result is out, we'll move, and I'm going to share this journey. So I am in Sierra Leone, recently in Lungi. I'll leave the guest house on the screen. Yeah, so that's the update. So 2 hours later, we've given our passport and we're going to the ferry now, in the vehicle to where we take ferry to Freetown. So
They play with life.
finally we left isolation center. So we'll go to Freetown tonight. Then tomorrow morning we take a bus going to Bo, where work starts. We've gotten to the ferry terminal. I'm about to go board the ferry. I think it's leaving soon, so we're gonna catch up. It's been a journey.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings, staring at the sea and what was left of me. After a while they all found out. They tried to shout, but when in doubt, the facade of the sea staring back at me. Each led like sheep, stepped foot to sea, drowning oh so patiently. Sand people sit and wait anxiously.
At the bus station, I'm going to go from Shell New Road in Freetown. So it's past 6 here and the sky is clear. From Freetown, and we had a stop at Mashaka. I think people are buying something, so we spent over 1 hour on the road. I don't know the destination yet, but hey, I think it's been a good journey, maybe because we are following the government's provided transport by the Sierra Leonean government. We paid for it, but it's been a smooth driving. And the road is good, so there are no hiccups on the road. We're going to get back right inside the vehicle.